See this connection string here? In your application, you have to keep secrets safe. Secrets like API keys, password, tokens, important string like this string, connection string here. You shouldn't put them hard-coded like this in your code because it's very bad for security. Since anyone has this string, he can access your database. So it's better to put this string in environment variable. And normally environment variables are stored outside your code like in the system or cloud settings. But during development, it's common to put them in a file, and we call this file .env. So open Google and search for .env. We got here this library with more than 62 million downloads per week. In Node.js, .env is a small library that helps you to manage environment variables in your application. So let's copy this command to install it. So in terminal, let's pass this command npm install.env. Then let's go and create our .env file. So here, let's create a new file and name it .env. Let's test this library. For example, let's add test password. It's gonna be equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you type environment variables, you shouldn't put them in string like this because we're not gonna type JavaScript code or even add const here. Don't add const here also. It will be like this. The variable name equals the variable value. Okay? Now to access it, you just go to our index and import the library using the require function .env.config. Now let's try to log our environment variable here. To log it, we can use console.log process.env variable name test password. Now let's start our server and see. So here npm start, we got here undefined. But why? Oops, my bad. I forgot those two parentheses here. Now let's add them and press save. Now we got here the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you just need to import it like this using the require function. Then you can access it using process.env. Now let's move our connection string to it. So let's copy our connection string and go here and create a new environment variable and name it connection string. It's gonna be equals to our value without any strings. Now let's go back and remove this string and we're gonna make connection string equals to process.env.connection string from environment variable. Now let's press save and see our log. Great, we got here connected to MongoDB. But let's first try to log our connection string. So console.log connection string. Great, we got here the connection string here. And we successfully connected to our MongoDB. Now let's remove this log. And also this log here. We don't need it. And also this environment variable at the top here. Test password. So let's remove it and press save.